Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about drag and drop on a web element into one particular location. How we can able to drag and drop one source location to another location, even you can able to see and then marry to here. When it is done, there you can able to see the icon it is presented here, the trash place, right? Even you can able to if you drag and drop here and it is show here dropped. Okay, previously drag me here and now it is dropped, right? How we can able to do this kind of operations? Okay, how we can able to identify, how we can able to do it? To do that, before that we need to take for everything, like first we need to reload this page. Whenever the page is loaded, we need to go and take for this particular path element. Okay, what exactly the path element is presented, you can able to see here. It is a dev tag and the dev tag it is presented for drop location. This is a drag and place IDE. Okay, sometimes you will get for ID, sometimes you will not get, only if you will get for class name. By using class name, how you can able to select those things, I already shown in the previous videos. You can able to check that how you can able to provide the class name. Okay, now I'm going to do for here. This code is already copy pasted into my previous video, okay, which is the actions class creations, and then we can able to create this action classes action change. It is basically to creating for action or some actions doing, right? For that we need to create importing this particular name, okay. Now once we need to get that particular drag element, we need to store some variable that I can able to mention source, okay, driver dot find element by dot ide comma, and I'm going to copying my drop location, and also I need to take for the target location where it is presented. Target location is mine is a drop here, right? Just I'm going to take for the drop location also is a id it is presented. I'm going to copying this one, okay, driver dot find element by dot ide, and I just copy paste my drop location also. Now I have my both the cases, which is source place and target place. Okay. After maximizing, I need to click for this particular place. Okay. For that, I need to create actions, and we have option called drag and drop. That is basically it will take for source and target. Even we can able to use some action class by using offset. If you know the offsets where exactly like source is presented but destination, you know, for x coordination, y coordination, then you can able to use for offset. If you don't know about that, then you need to use for drop location by using source and target place. In this, it will accept two variables, that is a source one and another one is a target value. Once you reach, then you can able to give the perform. Perform is the operation to do for some operation for clicking or something, like do some action. For that, we need to specify the perform. Then I'm going to not need to close because we need to see the color change about that particular drag and drop one. Just I'm going to use it. Now you can able to see it will maximize the browser. Then it will open that particular URL. It will wait 5 seconds. Okay, this system is okay. The function is not able to done. Okay, one more time we are running. Actually, that I dragged and dropped that sliding. That's what it is. The mouse action it is escaped when it is doing because we need to see the color change about it. After changing, I'll show you that. The tool itself it does not identify. Information online actions. Okay, both the IDs are same. That's what it is. Oh shit. You see, it is identify the only one value. It is source and destination. How it will drag and drop. Dropped value. We need to identify for the dropped value, right? Drag value. We need to source value. We need to identify. Drag value. Sorry. Both the places I kept the same. A source and destination. Both the values are same. See now, right? And just I'm copying a different value. Now it will do for operations now. In the down you can able to see it will drag and drops it will do. Now you can see right the color change it will happen. Even you can see backside is a dropped. Even you can able to keep here, right? Before that it is like without change. Even you can able to again one more time I'm loading. See before loading it is an empty. There is a color as a gray color. Once it is dragged and it is changed for yellow color to identification purpose. This is done by our automation code. Okay, and even you can able to see the closes also happen. The performance and everything is completed. Okay, this is a way we can able to do our operation for drag and drop. And in case if you want to do some practice in the same URL, there is a drag and drop for image. There are two couple of images and you can able to copy and those images one by one to bring into a trash place. Okay, in the trash in this particular location you can able to keep these two drag drops into this particular location and do some practice for that. Then you can able to understand how we can able to do that set of operations. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you understand, and please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.